Is CMMC replacing NIST? No, CMMC is not replacing NIST. They are connected, but they are not the same thing. NIST defines the security requirements for protecting controlled unclassified information. CMMC is the assessment and certification model used by the DoD to verify certain cybersecurity requirements are actually implemented. CMMC adds a formal assessment structure. It is not just about having security controls, it is about proving those controls are in place through documentation, evidence, policies, procedures, and technical implementation. If you meet CMMC, are you also meeting NIST? For CMMC Level 2, the requirements are closely tied to NIST, but the business still needs to prove implementation through the proper assessment process. NIST tells you what the cybersecurity controls are that are needed. CMMC is how the DoD checks whether those controls are actually being followed.